Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we are taking you on a mesmerizing coastal journey to Ottinene and Someshwara Beach, located on the magnificent western coastline of India. Let's dive in and explore these hidden gems, which promise unforgettable experiences for all beach enthusiasts. Ottinene and Someshwara Beach, a breathtaking coastal retreat. Ottinene Beach, situated in Karnataka, is a true haven for nature lovers seeking a tranquil escape. It's a secluded and relatively untouched beach, making it perfect for those seeking a serene and peaceful environment. The beach is nestled between lush green hills and the azure waters of the Arabian Sea, creating a picturesque and postcard-worthy scenery that will leave you in awe. This is a wonderful place to stay. Room rent starts from 1500 rupees. Veg and non-veg food also available. Ottinene Beach offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. The nearby hilltop viewpoint provides a breathtaking panoramic view of the coastline and the setting sun, making it an ideal spot for photography enthusiasts. The beach is not as crowded as some popular tourist destinations, allowing you to enjoy a quiet walk along the shoreline or indulge in water sports like jet skiing and banana boat rides without feeling overwhelmed. A short distance from Ottinene, we find Someshwara Beach, another gem that showcases the raw beauty of Karnataka's coastline. The beach is named after the ancient Someshwara temple, adding a touch of spirituality to your coastal adventure. What sets Someshwara Beach apart is its fascinating rock formations that stand tall amidst the crashing waves. These rocky outcrops create tide pools and tide traps, adding an element of exploration to your visit. During low tide, you can explore the rock formations and observe a variety of marine life in the tide pools, making it a great experience for families and nature enthusiasts. For those looking for a bit of adventure, Someshwara Beach offers excellent opportunities for surfing and snorkeling, thanks to its clear waters and gentle waves. Ottinene and Someshwara Beach are a true gift to nature enthusiasts and wanderers alike. These coastal paradises offer an unforgettable escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. From the serene Ottinene Beach to the adventurous Someshwara Beach, each location has its own unique charm to captivate your heart. Whether you seek tranquility, adventure, or simply a peaceful retreat, these coastal havens won't disappoint. So, make sure to add them to your travel bucket list and experience the magic yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.